Hey, Ron here. So I saw a pretty cool trick the other day. So I've always known about passwords on Cisco routers, and that using the secret password is the way to go. The secret password is a hash value that's hard to figure out. And when I say hard to figure out, I'm saying like next to impossible for the average person. There are rainbow tables out there and all kinds of other methods that you can use, but pretty much hashes are pretty secure. But there are a lot of people that don't know to use enable secret or using secret when establishing a username and password. Instead, they just use regular stuff and then turn on service password encryption and think they're good to go. Well, again, I saw a cool trick the other day that if that's the method that somebody chooses, it can be undone quite easily. So if I remember all the steps, let's go ahead and try it. So I'm going to do a show run, and what we'll find is we have an enable secret and there's a 5 next to it. So this is a hash. This value is a hash, so don't expect to see what's in here. But somebody set an enable password, and if we notice, this is a 7. So this is Cisco's version of encryption. So we can get to what this is. And at the same time, somebody also built a username Cisco password, and then they just entered their password, and they allowed service password encryption to go ahead behind them and encrypt this. So let's find out what this guy's password was. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy that. Alright, I'm going to go into config T. Let's see, key, chain, and we'll give it a name. So this is test. Under here we've got key. We'll give it a number, so key 0. Then under here I've got key string, and I want to specify that this is the encrypted version that follows, so the 7, and I'm just going to paste it in. Alright, now if I do show, well, let's get all the way out. Let's do a show key chain, and we can put the name in, and look at there, key 0 text Cisco 123 $. So the Cisco username has a password of Cisco 123 $. Alright, so we can do the same thing. Show run, include enable password. We can copy this one out. Config T. We did a key, chain, test. We'll do this key 1, enter. We'll do a key string, and we'll go ahead and paste it in. Do show key test. Oh, must have done something wrong. So end show key. Oh, I forgot chain. That's what it was. Test and key 1 password 123 $. All right. Now if we try the same thing on the hashed one, we can well, let's do a show run, include enable secret. Copy this out. Fig T, key, chain, test. Key 3. key string. Now notice we don't have a 5. All we have is the unencrypted password, a 7, or a 0. So we'll put 7 for encrypted. We'll put it in there. And look at that. Invalid encrypted key string. Alright. So what this tells me is that enable secret, pretty awesome. Specifying a username with a secret password, a whole lot better than using service password encryption. So you exit username test secret, and we'll just put this is secret $123 do show run include user name. So now look here, username test secret 5 instead of 7, so we get a hashed value. So my suggestion to you is to always use secret, not password, and rely on service password encryption, because that encryption can be very easily undone. So I hope you thought the little tip was pretty cool. I certainly did. It gave me a newfound respect for using secret instead of service password encryption. So feel free to leave comments. Appreciate you watching the video.